Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, I'm Jen, and today we're going to take down the Halloween decorations to make room for some Christmas holiday cheer. If you're new to my channel, then hi, welcome. My name is Jen, like I said, and here on my channel, I like to share lots of simplifying, minimizing, and decluttering motivation for you all. And today we're going to, like I said, take down our Halloween decorations and then go through our Christmas things, see what we can let go of, see what we can declutter, and how we can simplify to make room for what matters most. So let's jump right into today's video. I am always finding that every holiday season rolls around really quickly, and the next thing you know, 1 minute it's summer, the next thing you know it is Christmas time, and every year I tell myself it's going to get better, and this year is no exception. I am starting to feel a little overwhelmed and stressed with the mess that my house is before decorating, so I know I need to simplify even more and manage less. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I am trying to only manage the items that I need to manage and the things that I truly love and cherish. So let's jump into it. Let's take down Halloween, bring up the Christmas decorations, go through and declutter, and see what we can let go of and what we're going to keep and use for this Christmas 2022 holiday season. So of course, in true Jen fashion, I have a coffee. Both kids are at friends, and I grabbed one when I was dropping them off, but this is really the only Halloween decorations that I have. If you've been following alongside with me during Vlogtober, you know that Cooper, well, I guess let's start right from the beginning. If you're completely new to my channel, we have a newly 8-month-old golden retriever named Cooper. He is a handful, to say the least, but we absolutely adore him. And with that being said, we can't have a lot of things left out on low surfaces because that's fair game for him, and he thinks it's a toy and he wants to play with it. So he's only 8 months, he's going to outgrow it, but for now, a lot of our decorations stay up high where he can't reach them. So we're going to take these down. Everything on the mantle I am going to keep. I don't think I'm going to declutter any Halloween things. I kind of went through and already did that. I'll let you know if I end up decluttering anything along the way. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. I laid everything from the mantle on top of the TV stand, keeping all of it. There's not a lot really, but I do have the bin it's a large one, and I kind of want to consolidate it down to be a little bit smaller. My decorating goes in phases. Well, you can see TV's on. My decorating, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. That picture is much nicer. Disney at Christmas. Anyway, I lost my train of thought. Oh, that's what it was. So I have a large bin that I would store my fall and Halloween decorations in, but I'm thinking I would like to simplify it and do it in 2 smaller bins. I'm probably have something down the basement, so I'm going to run down there and see if I can find something a little bit smaller. I may be even able to consolidate both fall and Halloween into one because I've really simplified my fall and Halloween decor this year. So I ended up going through and selling a lot of it. So I'm happy. I went through and sold a lot of it, both fall and Halloween. And I'm going to see if I can consolidate it into a smaller bin instead of this big one that is right here. So that is the bin that I currently have that I was putting fall and Halloween in. But there's things in there right now. There's fall things I did use. But there's some things I'm going to let go of, I think. So I'm going to run down the basement and see if I can find a smaller bin to try to consolidate both of the decorations into one. Okay, I found a smaller bin. So we're going to see if we can make it all work into this. Then we're going to bring up some of the Christmas decorations and decorate the mantle. I'm excited for it. Okay, so I went around the house and grabbed all the fall decorations that I still had up. And in the grand scheme of things, I don't have a lot of decorations for fall. I have 2 wooden pumpkins, a few faux pumpkins. I use a lot of real pumpkins in my decorating, so they'll just go into the woods or into the compost at the end. Well, soon, I guess, once I'm done decorating. But I have these green pumpkins from the Dollar Tree many years ago, and I absolutely love them with the gold on the top, the stem. Then I have 2 larger signs. These 2 larger signs here, Happy Pumpkin Spice Season, and then there is a one from Hobby Lobby. They're the only 2 fall signs that I have. And this one, that was a free printable from Andrea from Pine and Prospect Home. I love it. I put it in this thrifted frame, and I put this out each holiday season. So I'm going to package this stuff, see if I can get everything into this bin and go from there. It'd be nice if we could, because then it will be easy to access. Ideally, I think I would like to have 2 separate bins, one for fall, one for Halloween, but I don't want 2 this size. So I'm just going to put it all into the one right now, and then if I can find anything that's smaller. The only thing is these pictures are quite large, so they may not fit in a smaller bin. I'm just going to package it all up and go from there. Oh. I had already packaged the stuff up because it was, where was it? I used it. Oh, it was on the piano, and I had to take it down because of Cooper. So I do want to keep these. And this sign here. So this just came to me. I'm going to pack the Halloween on the bottom, the fall on the top, and that way the fall is easier to access because that's what I decorate for first. And then the fall stuff will be out and the Halloween stuff will be right there ready for when we decorate the mantle for Halloween.
See
Okay, so everything fit into this one bin. My plan of putting the Halloween on the bottom and the fall on the top just wasn't working. So I'm happy though that everything is in this one container, and that's it. I can't have any more Halloween things. I do have my triple pumpkin redone over there, which I'm going to keep. I like it there. Cooper didn't touch it, which is surprising. So we're going to keep that, but it wouldn't fit in a bin regardless. So I'm just going to store it down in the storage room by itself. I also have the fall sign behind this cover here, which wouldn't fit in that bin as well. And I have this ceramic pumpkin that I'm going to donate. So that's going to leave the house. So fall is now all packed up and ready for next year, as well as Halloween. And we're going to tackle the fireplace mantle now. I have a bin over there by the pumpkins that I brought up that has some Christmas things. I'm going to go through it, see what it is, and take out what I want to use for my mantle this year. Okay, let's decorate the mantle. Brought some bins up of Christmas decorations. We're going to go through. I'm just going to focus on decorating the mantle. I'm going to save the decluttering for another day and another video, but today we're going to decorate the mantle, and I'm going to try to do my decorating in stages this year because one, I don't want my videos to be super long, and two, that's just what's manageable for me. I don't want to get overwhelmed with bringing up a ton of holiday things, and I want to slowly decorate the home and get it into a holiday festive state slowly and simply, because the whole premise for my channel is slowly simplifying, and I think that's one way we can do it is by taking our time when we are decorating and taking our time when we are doing things, because just because everyone else is decorating their entire home doesn't mean we have to.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time, smile my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over, we'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so the mantle is done, and I am loving how it turned out this year. I went even more simple and minimalistic than I did last year. I believe last year I had little white ceramic houses on it, and I didn't put them out this year, and I think I'm going to put them on the piano, possibly. Just all depends on Mr. Cooper. But I need to get batteries for the candles. I did find batteries for the garland, and that's already lit and it looks beautiful. We hung our stockings. Spoiler, they'll probably come down because I can just see the future right now, and I feel that Cooper would be jumping at these. But in any case, I'm going to share with you the things from the fall and Halloween season that we're going to let go of and declutter, and then show you what the mantle is looking like, fully decorated for Christmas this 2022 holiday season. So this bin is pretty much empty now. This is what our fall and Halloween was in. I am letting go of this Halloween skirt. I'm not going to wear it, so there's no point in keeping it. I kept one of the birds. I'm going to declutter that. I am also going to let go of this white ceramic pumpkin, this placemat, this black buffalo check pillow cover, this pillow cover, and this white ceramic pumpkin, as well as I have two of these. I only need one black tablecloths from the Dollar Tree, and the dollar store. And if I really need another one, they always sell them every year, so I can always pick up another one. So everything in this bin is going to be donated and decluttered out of my home. And the mantle is looking great up there. Look, you got snow on you. Sit. Oh yeah, now you sit for the camera. Yeah. Oh, look at him. Look what he's eyeing. Where's Daddy? So that is it. That is my take down Halloween, declutter, and decorate the mantle for Christmas 2022. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you're new to my channel and are enjoying the content, then I'd love it if you'd hit the subscribe button. Enjoy my family, where I'm going to be sharing lots of simple, minimal Christmas decorating, next upcoming videos, as well as simplifying, decluttering, and minimizing motivation. If you're into that sort of thing, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for being here. Remember, I love and appreciate you all. Take care, stay safe. We'll see you very soon. Bye now. And there's the mantle. I think it looks beautiful. Let me know down in the comments what you think. If you're going simple and minimal for Christmas, or if you're a maximalist when it comes to Christmas and they're going completely out. I used to be that way, but I'm definitely leaning towards being more minimal, intentional, and simple when it comes to Christmas decorating.
Come on up, come on over. It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better